So over here, you can see that I have some shapes right here. And on this particular shape, there is a tooltip. But on others, there are no tooltips. But especially when you have a lot of diagrams right here, then what shapes might have tooltips and what might not may be confusing. So in that case, what you can simply do is enable out the Tooltips plugin so that you can see which shapes has tooltips immediately. So to do that, you need to go under the extras menu, and then from over here, you need to go around over here in plugins, and over here, you need to click on add, and from the built-in plugin menu right here, you need to go around and enable tips right here. So once you go around and press OK, you can press apply and you're prompted to restart the application. And since I'm using the web version, I'm just going to go around and reset my pace right here. So you can see that this is what you have, and then let me just press cancel right here, open existing diagram that I have, and that is the test diagram right here. So now you can see that this is the diagram that I have right here, and over here you know immediately that this shape has a tooltip because you have this out right here. Let me just save the changes right here. You can see this shape has a tooltip right here. Similarly, you can go around over here, and then you can go around over here on to edit, and then you can click on edit tooltip, and let's say this is a cloud right here, press apply, and the tooltip is there. Let's say I'm just going to remove out the tooltip from this diamond shape right here. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto edit, and then I'm going to click on edit, not data, but I'm just going to go around and say edit tooltip. And if I were to remove this out and press apply, you can no longer see that icon right there. That is because there is no tooltip right there, and the plugin shows which shape right here has the tooltip in them. So that is how you can work around with the Tooltips plugin inside of diagrams.net. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.